Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
License fee questions look tricky, but this one moves fast. Spot what kind of cost changes in the short run, and the right answer appears. An annual license fee is a fixed cost because the firm pays it even if output stays the same, so it is not tied to producing one more bicycle. In the short run, fixed cost changes average total cost, since average total cost includes fixed and variable costs, but fixed cost does not change marginal cost or average variable cost. That also means revenue measures stay unchanged here, so the only listed effect is higher average total cost, which makes option D the winner. Well done! Option D, scan now. Trap, rushing signs. Rule, trust what is given and check which cost includes fixed cost.